How to fix Telegram group permissions issues. If you or other members can't post messages or perform actions in Telegram group, the first thing to check is the group's permission settings. Group admins control what members are allowed to do, like sending messages, sharing media, or adding new members. If you are an admin, open the group settings and review these permissions to make sure nothing important is accidentally restricted. If you are just a member and can't post, you'll need to contact an admin to ask them to adjust your permissions. Sometimes groups restrict new members from posting right away to prevent spam, so there may be temporary block. Admins can also set time-based restrictions or mute members, so double check if any such limits are in place. Have you experienced group permission issues? Share your experience or advice in the comments below. Keeping permissions properly set ensures a smooth and safe group chat environment. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.